Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You cannot physically install an Nvidia GPU into a Ps5. That's the core limitation. Instead, decide to either get Nvidia features by using a separate PC or stream Nvidia-powered PC games to your TV. Once decided, prepare a PC with an Nvidia GPU, update drivers, and ensure your router supports 5 GHz or use wired Ethernet for low latency. Make sure your DualSense or another controller can pair with the PC via USB-C or Bluetooth. This sets you up for the next steps. On the Nvidia PC, install GeForce Experience and enable Game Stream if you plan to use Moonlight, or set up Steam Remote Play or GeForce Now for cloud local streaming. Once done, connect the PC to your network via Ethernet for best performance. 5 GHz Wi-Fi is a fallback, but expect more jitter. Make sure your TV or capture device can accept the PC's HDMI output. Configure an HDMI switch or capture card so the TV shows PC gameplay, while the PS5 can remain. Now pair your DualSense to the PC over USB-C or Bluetooth and confirm button mapping in Steam or Windows. Launch a GPU-accelerated title and stream to your TV via your chosen client. Monitor latency and visual settings. Once you see acceptable performance, tweak resolution, frame rate, or enable DLSS/RTX in-game to balance quality versus latency. If things go wrong, first update Nvidia drivers and GeForce Experience. Test with a direct Ethernet cable, enable router Co-S for gaming traffic, and temporarily lower bitrate to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.